Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we are going to learn about how we will change our YouTube channel name in the year of 2022 just in 2 minutes. So let's get started. So first of all you have to open your YouTube channel by clicking on this icon, then go to your channel. Then here you can get two options, right? One is customize channel and another is manage video, right? So click on this manage video. Then in the left hand side you will get so many tabs, right? So here search customization option. Here click on this customization option. After that you will get these three tabs, that is layout, branding and basic info. Okay, so click on this basic info button. So here you can see your YouTube channel name, right? So if you want to change your YouTube channel name, then click on this pencil icon. Here you can see, right, edit channel name, right? So click on this pencil icon. So now you can rename your YouTube channel name here. Okay, so let me change my YouTube channel name, that is from adorable to adorable dot edu. Okay, all right. Then here you can give the description of your YouTube channel whatever you want. Okay, and after that simply click on publish. So sorry, this name cannot be used for your YouTube channel, please try again with different name. So I think the channel name has already been exist by any other persons, so let me rename it to adorable dot then space then edu. Okay, after that you can give the description of your YouTube channel here if you want to give. Okay, and simply click on this publish icon. So changed, published, go to channel. Okay, so congratulations, you have successfully changed your YouTube channel name from adorable to adorable.edu. So let's check and be confirm about that whether our YouTube channel name has been changed or not. Okay, so click here view channel. Okay, so here you can see our YouTube channel name has been changed from adorable to adorable.edu, right? So again, congratulations to all of you and thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and like our channel. Bye bye.